Hello. In this video, we're going to go over solving for angle of elevation. We are going to go over problem number 3. Problem number 4, we will do in another video. Problem number 3 is fairly straightforward. The first thing we need to go over is angle of elevation triangle. We are always given a triangle, and this angle right here, this angle in question, we'll call it theta, is the angle of elevation. Then the next thing is we have an angle up here at this triangle, right up here, right? This angle right here, call that theta 2, is the angle of depression. Now, the trick to these is if you're told angle of depression or angle of elevation, no matter what, you put your angle here on the triangle. Every single time, you do not have to think twice about it. In fact, we will do number 4, but we'll do number 4 as the complicated one in another video, but we'll also do number 4 and just a normal one showing angle of depression to show a normal problem. Okay, so let us start doing number 3. The first thing we need to do is draw our triangle. We are 12 feet from the base, so we know that this is 12 feet. We can assume that this is our pole. Our angle of elevation is 53, so it goes there like we just discussed. Our angle of elevation goes right there, 53. And then we need to know how tall the pole is, so that is our x. Now, all we need to do is set up so, ka, toa, and solve the triangle accordingly. We label everything hypotenuse. We see 53 is touching the 12 also, so that's adjacent and opposite from the x. We see that we have no hypotenuse necessary. We are using toa or tangent. Then we set it up accordingly. Tangent of the angle, 53, is equal to opposite over adjacent. Next, we will cross multiply, which we have done in a different video if you have forgotten how to do that. And we multiply the bubbles. Divide, actually no dividing, just plug that into your calculator, 12, 10, 53. And we get 15.9 feet. Now that is the height of the flagpole. Super easy, straightforward. Let's do the next one with depression. So this one is talking about an angle of depression. We know the height of the airplane is 260 feet, 5 meters. We know the angle of depression to a ship below is 35 degrees. We want to find how far we are from the ship. Well, all I need to do is take that angle of depression and rewrite it as an angle of elevation because they are equal to one another. After that, we just set up exactly like we just did. We have our hypotenuse, our adjacent, our opposite. Clearly, we see no hypotenuse used, so we're going to go tangent of 35 is equal to 265 all over x. Cross multiply, and be careful this time because we're going to have to take an extra step. 265 is equal to x times tan 35. Get our x by itself by dividing both sides by tan 35. And we get our answer as we plug into our calculator, 265 divided by tan 35. Oops, did not do that right. Tan 35. We get 378.5 meters. And that's how far our ship is from the base, from the base of where the plane would be. That is how we solve angle of depression and angle of elevation. If you have any other questions or specific problems you'd like me to cover, send me an email. Always happy doing another one. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.